How to create a hamburger menu on your Wix website or Wix Studio actually. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to achieve this. Now, it is actually very simple and easy to do, so let's just get to it. So the first thing obviously is going to be open up your site and click on edit site to obviously enable the editor for our Wix Studio site. So once this is launched and everything, we can just get started by first removing the current menu that we have because we don't want to have two different menus. So in my case, I'm just going to remove the original menu that Wix Studio provides, and then we are just going to add a hamburger menu on our own. So let's just go ahead and get started by removing this first menu. So you want to basically just go ahead and click on it, select it, and then we can just go ahead and click on the three dots and hit delete, like so. And now we don't have a menu anymore. And you can see that the navigation bar is completely gone. It is completely empty in the header here, and we don't have anything to navigate through. So now that we have removed this, how do we actually add a hamburger menu? You want to just go into the top left where you'll be able to add elements. So just click on add elements or this plus icon. And then from here, you obviously will be able to add many different elements, text, buttons, and so on. But we want the menu and search option here. So just go to the menu and search option. And then basically we want to select from the menus settings, we want to select the hamburger menus. So go ahead and select that, and we can actually see all the hamburger menus that are actually available on Wix Studio. We have this one, we have that one, we have all of these to choose from. So I'm just going to select this first one as an example, but you can feel free to choose whichever one that you actually like. So select the one that you actually like, hold it and drag it and drop it wherever you want it to be. So in my case, I just, put it over here at the header, and I just want to move this actually so I make the burger menu on the corner. So we can just go ahead and drag that, and we move this right to the corner. And then again, same goes for this. We can just move it a little bit closer to that one, and then we're pretty much ready to go. Now, once we actually click on it, we can just click on edit menu, and it's just going to show us the menu here and how it actually looks like. And if we click on settings, it's also going to show us some more settings here. We have a few options to choose from, like stretch and all of those things, but this is pretty much the basics on adding a hamburger menu. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.